is Sarah. I went through my emetophobia program with Bree and went through the manual with her. Before I started working with her, I would say about 60% of my thoughts were about emetophobia. I had a lot of control-seeking behaviors. I always had digestive medications in my purse. I was scared to eat at restaurants. I was scared of bars or any places where people would be drunk. And I just lived a very limited life. And now after working with her, I go stretches of days without even thinking about the phobia. I eat in restaurants again. I'm a lot more brave with my food choices. I eat leftovers without being super paranoid about them. And I generally just have a lot more space in my mind to think about other things. And I've found that in the work of healing emetophobia, that there's a lot of parts of my personality that have changed as well. I no longer feel like a victim of my life. I no longer feel powerless. I don't feel like life is just happening to me. And I feel a lot more empowered in general in my day-to-day and also the direction of my life. So I'm really grateful to the manual. I'm really grateful to Thrive, and I'm really grateful for Bree. I really recommend, if you are on the fence, I thought that I was incurable. I thought I had the most severe phobia of anyone. It's not true. And I promise it's the same for you. So do it.